Okay, hi everyone. So this has been a much requested video. You're not going to see my face, you're just going to see my hands. So what you see here is a bag of rice, and I'm going to do this the same way my customers would do it if they had just purchased this and it just came in the mail. So basically, you take it out the bag and you have this, right? I have two spoons, tablespoon and a teaspoon, and I have a jar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tablespoon of rice. Here's a jar that I have. You can put it in any type of container that you may have a lid for. It can be a jar. It can be something plastic. It doesn't matter. Bowl, as long as it has a lid. So I'm going to do it for someone that doesn't have a whole lot of hair. So here's this. It's 1 tablespoon in here. Okay, this is what I have left. So let's just say, I think I want to put a little more. So I won't even use a teaspoon. I'll do another tablespoon. Okay? So this is what 2 tablespoons looks like, guys. All right? Not a lot, huh? But it's enough. So I have a water bottle. And I'm going to fill it halfway up. That will make about 8 ounces. Since I don't feel like getting my measuring cup. So, gonna pour the water in. And I'll eye it. I think I need more water. See, it's dark already. Gonna put a little more water in. And I think that's gonna be enough. So you don't have to fill up the whole jar. I think a lot of you are getting confused about that. I shake it. And voila. You have the Miracle Growth water. You see? That's simple. So the more potent that you want it, guys, don't put a whole bunch of water. You don't need a whole lot of water because you don't want to waste it. And once I make this is going to sit overnight. I shampoo my hair on Saturdays. So this will sit overnight, and then Saturday I will use it. So that's that. If you have long hair, really long hair, then you can definitely add more water if you want to. But you don't want to make it so that you've added so much water that now your rice water is white. You don't want it to be white. You want everything that I put in there to start coming off. So it's going to be dark. And as the days go by, it will get darker and darker. So it's simply that, guys. It's not hard. You get your bag. Remember, you get your bag. You take either a teaspoon or a tablespoon. I like a tablespoon. Use 1 to 2. This is 1 to 2. If you have more hair or you want it just a little more potent, even though it's still going to be potent the way it is, 2 should be fine. But if you just want it stronger, which I don't think you need 3, if you feel like you need 3, then put 3 in. But see, this was a 10-ounce bag, and this is already 1 treatment. So you can get about, 3, 4, 5 treatments out of this 1 bag. All right? So that's simple. Take the bag out of the bag that I ship it in. Get you a jar or get you a bowl, just something with a lid. But when you first get it, even though it's dry, guys, this is dry. But some people, I tell you, if you want it to be a little more dry, like if you don't like the smell, then you can take it and put it on a plate, put it on a bowl, open, and just let it air out overnight. Okay? And that will actually make the smell a little less potent, but it's not that bad. I do ship it out dry, so you don't have to worry about that. See? It's dry. So that's it. I hope that helped someone. I appreciate all of you guys that have made a purchase of the Miracle Growth Water. You're definitely going to love it. It does amazing things for your hair. And yeah, it's that simple, guys. I'll do it again. Get the bag out. Open the bag. 2 tablespoons. Boom, boom. Put it in a jar or put it in a glass. Just bowl, something that you have a lid for. Add water. This is about 8 ounces of water. Add water, shake it, and leave it overnight. Okay? That's it. Bye, guys.